Every day, millions of products are uploaded to Shopify. Every one of those products has descriptions, images, tags, and metadata that need to be understood, sorted, and connected so customers can actually find them. Behind the scenes, that is a massive AI job. And for years, Shopify leaned on expensive closed-source models until something changed. In 2025, Shopify's AI inference bill was north of $5 million a month on a single pipeline alone. And then, almost overnight, that number plummeted to less than $75,000 a month. How did they do it? By swapping out proprietary models for a family of open-source models you may have heard of, Qwen from Alibaba. Before the pivot, Shopify used large, proprietary language and vision models to power tasks like product classification, metadata enrichment, and search understanding. Whenever a merchant uploaded a product, the system would call an external API, send the image and text, wait for the model to respond, and then pay per token and per image. That model might be clever, but it is also expensive, and it is someone else's black box. As Shopify's merchant base exploded, so did the number of AI calls. Soon, the team was running a 235 billion parameter multimodal model pipeline, one of the largest such systems in the world. At those scales, tiny per request costs add up real fast. We are talking hundreds of millions of inferences per day, each carrying a price tag. That is when the question hit: do we really need to keep paying a premium for every single AI call when we are already doing the work at this scale? The answer lay in a family of open-source models. They are available under open-weight licenses, meaning companies like Shopify can run them on their own infrastructure. Instead of sending every product image and description to a paid external API, Shopify began running fine-tuned Qwen multimodal models in-house. These models had already been trained on massive datasets, and now Shopify could adapt them specifically to the world of product catalogs, titles, tags, and categories. By moving from a pay-per-request cloud model to a self-hosted open-source stack, Shopify flipped the cost structure. Reports from the ecosystem place the savings at around 98 to 99% for some of their pipelines. The same multimodal workload that once cost over $5 million a month was suddenly just around $75,000 a month. That is a full-scale reinvention. So why Qwen and not another open-source model? First, Qwen is multimodal out of the box. It can understand both text and images in the same pipeline. Second, Alibaba released a 235 billion parameter variant. That is comparable to frontier models, but open-weight, showing strong performance on image-text understanding. Behind this technical switch is a bigger story. Shopify is bringing AI back into its own walls. Lower inference costs mean Shopify can afford more AI-driven features, like better product recommendations and smarter search, without passing costs onto merchants. Shopify's move from proprietary models to Qwen is a quiet but powerful case study in how big companies are re-architecting their AI stacks. They are replacing pay-per-token, cloud-hosted giants with open-weight giants they run on their own metal, cutting the bill by almost an order of magnitude. In the race between AI innovation and AI cost, Shopify just made a bold bet. The future of commerce AI is models they own, run, and optimize themselves.